Deep inside a silent Italian factory, 80 human hands and one rimmels.
The Lamborghini Temerario, unveiled in 2024 as the successor to the Huracan, is powered by a twin-turbocharged
T800 carbon fiber prepreg is sourced from Toray Industries in Nagoya, Japan, and shipped in carbon fiber prepreg sheets are laser cut to precise ply patterns in the climate-controlled composite center at 18 degrees Celsius. Each ply is oriented precisely according to the engineering stress analysis that determined which directions would bear the highest loads in the finished monocoque structure. The lamination cleanroom is maintained at ISO Class 7 with positive pressure and amber lighting that each subsequent ply is oriented at a different angle, the crossing fibers creating a structure that distributes load across multiple directions. By the sixth ply, the laminate has reached 1.5 millimeters in thickness.
With 12 plies of carbon fiber laid at precisely specified orientations, the floor section of the monocoque now contains the oxide. The release film and breather fabric are layered over the uncured laminate, creating and for vacuum pressure reach every point on the mold surface.
The vacuum bag is sealed to the mold flange with a continuous bead of butyl tape, and the air is evacuated to create a pressure differential that will compact the laminate during the autoclave cycle. The assembled carbon fiber layup is vacuum bagged and loaded into the autoclave, where it will be cured at 135 degrees Celsius. Inside the autoclave at 135 degrees Celsius and 6 bar of pressure, the epoxy resin flows, wets out After 4 hours in the autoclave, stays. The cured carbon fiber monocoque tub is inspected under ultraviolet light for delamination. The cured carbon fiber monocoque is removed from its mold, the vacuum bagging materials stripped away to reveal a structure. The monocoque undergoes CT scanning for internal void detection, the X-ray reconstruction revealing the internal structure. CNC robotic arms trim all carbon fiber panel edges to sub-millimeter tolerances and drill precision apertures with its edges trimmed and suspension pickup points drilled to final dimensions. The carbon fiber monocoque floor section is ready to become the structural heart. The completed carbon fiber monocoque floor section is transferred to the main assembly hall, where it will become the foundation. The flat plane crankshaft begins as an 85-kilogram billet of forged chromoly steel from Böhler Edelstahl in Austria, which will be machined for 11 hours.
The forged crankshaft is dynamically balanced to within 0.1 gram at each bearing journal.
The twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter flat-plane V8 block is assembled on a dedicated engine line, with the forged crank.
The first of 3 axial flux electric motor generator units is mounted to the transmission bell housing, each motor contributing 100.
The 3 integrated electric motor generator units are mounted and torqued to the transmission bell housing and front and rear axle cradles, creating an all-instruments. The thermal management system circulates coolant through aluminum plates between every row of cells, maintaining the battery pack at its optimum. Each lithium-ion pouch cell is inspected for voltage and physical integrity before being placed into the module assembly tray. The cell tabs are joined by ultrasonic welding, a process that bonds copper and aluminum at the molecular level without the heat-affected zones. The 3.8 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack is tested for charge-discharge cycles across its full operating temperature. The hybrid powertrain unit, combining the combustion engine, 3 electric motors, and battery pack, is married to the carbon monocoque. With the mechanical mounting complete, the high-voltage electrical system is connected. The 400-volt cables linking the battery.
Every mechanical fastener, electrical connector, and fluid coupling is inspected by a second technician who's.
The front aluminum subframe, fabricated and heat-treated in Lamborghini's in-house welding facility, is bolted to titanium instruments. The forged aluminum suspension uprights are machined in-house from aircraft-grade billet and fitted with spherical bearings at every pivot rings. The Temerario's double wishbone suspension at all 4 corners features pushrod-actuated magnetoreological dampers. Brembo carbon ceramic brake discs measuring 410 millimeters in diameter are installed on the front axle. The carbon ceramics. The brake-by-wire system is calibrated on a bench dynamometer, The controller programmed to modulate pressure at each wheel instance. Body panels including the front clamshell, rear engine cover, and doors are bonded and fitted with panel gaps measured to 0 engines. The rear engine cover incorporates integrated air intake ducts and a transparent window that will display the twin The carbon fiber doors are fitted to the monocoque with forged aluminum hinges, each door adjusted to its distance. The underbody aerodynamic elements transform the entire underside of the Temerario into
needs. The complete rolling chassis enters the paint finishing booth, a dust-free environment where every panel is inspected under two.
The transition between matte paint and gloss carbon fiber is inspected at a microscopic level. The interface between the two
trains. The exposed carbon fiber surfaces receive a final polish that transforms the clear coat into a flawless mirror.
The hand-stitched Napa leather dashboard, requiring up to 12 hours of upholstery work for this component alone. The hand-stitched Napa leather and Alcantara interior is fitted by upholstery craftspeople who spend up to 12 hours per car on the cabin alone. The main body wiring harness, containing over 1,200 individual wires spanning more than 2 kilometers in total length. Every wiring harness branch is secured at precise intervals and verified with continuity testing, ensuring that the 2 kilometers of...
With all 2 kilometers of wiring connected verified, the Temerario for the first time.
The completed Temerario is rolled onto a 4-wheel chassis dynamometer for a full hybrid powertrain calibration run, simulating road load across all drive modes from Strada to Essence. With the hybrid powertrain calibrated and all systems verified, the Temerario is cleared for its final road test. At 10,000 RPM, the twin-turbocharged V8 completes 167 combustion cycles per second in each cylinder. With the road test complete and the test driver's evaluation form signed, the Temerario has demonstrated that it meets the dynamic standards. The hybrid powertrain calibration simulates every driving condition the Temerario will encounter, from full-throttle Corsa mode acceleration to regenerative braking in city traffic. Each Temerario undergoes a final road test on the private Lamborghini test track, driven by a factory test driver who evaluates every aspect of... Each Temerario is inspected under 1,000 lux lighting by a quality team of 4 specialists. With the factory seal applied, this Temerario is certified as meeting every specification established by Lamborghini. From the laser cutting of carbon fiber prepreg to the final inspection under 1,000 lux lighting, this Temerario has been